Happy New Year, guys. Welcome to the video. It's a new year, it's a new beginning, and I think starting off this year by doing 5 things successful people do is a good one. You know, everyone's dream is to be successful, to attain financial freedom, to be able to pay your bills, buy the things you want, the things you need. And that's why in this video, the one you just clicked on, are five top priority things successful people do that if you do them, you are going to be successful. All right, guys, let's jump into the video. The number one thing every successful person does is that they chase problems instead of money. Yes, they chase problems instead of money. If you can be able to at least figure out one persistent problem that your community or your society is facing, trust me, bro, the money will follow. Let's take a look at a catalog of, like, let me say 3 successful persons in the world. Let's take a look at Elon Musk, for example. What problem did Elon Musk solve? He solved the problem of traffic jam, and that's why he invented what? Electric cars. Mark made communication way easier other than telecommunication by creating Facebook, where you could actually send text messages from a locality to your friends abroad, and you can also like run ads of your personal business while targeting a particular audience. And Bill Gates, he created Microsoft, and now we can easily type and save documents. There is something I read some time ago. It says that if you can be able to find a need or fill a need that what currently exists, yeah, kudos, you found a great idea. And if you could think out possible ways to meet that needs, you've solved the problem, and the money will follow. The ego will follow, as Aniboma would say. The ego, the money will follow. So look around you. What are the challenges you're facing? What do people frequently complain about? That could be a problem. And when you solve that problem with your price tag, rather, they would like to patronize it because you've actually created a solution for their problem. The number 2 thing successful people do is that they go with the 50-30-20% rule. Now, what is the 50-30-20% rule? It's just an easy way to spend your money. Now, these are the 50-30-20% rule works. Let's say your monthly salary is 100,000. Yeah, 100,000. For instance, you earn 100,000 naira monthly. 50% should go to your needs. 50% of that money should always go to your needs. What are your needs? Maybe your food, you know, your rent you're paying, your children's school fees if you're married, and 30% should go to your wants. 30% of that money should go to your wants. What are your wants? The clothes you wear, let me say the shoes, you know, things you want, but you don't necessarily need. 30% of that money should go to it. And then 20% should go for your savings. 20% now should not be your savings. Save 20% of that money. 20% of that money, keep it aside as savings. Now you could see that during this 50-30-20% rule, you've actually touched all aspects of your life while still keeping some money aside. So if you want to be successful, try the 50-30-20% rule. I don't know, are you enjoying this video? Of course you are. If you're enjoying this video, why not click the like button and hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the Adonic Alpha channel. It's a channel that teaches men's fashion across Africa, ranging from dating, fitness, grooming, you know, personal development like the one you're hearing now. So do well to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thirdly, successful people invest. They invest to generate what? More profits. Now, the kind of investment I'm talking about is not forex trading and expert offshore. You know them, that where you just predict dollar will rise or fall. That kind of investment is very risky. It's very risky. It's very risky, rather. It's very risky. But the kind of investment I'm talking about is buying stocks or shares from big companies or from smaller companies that you think will last for 10 to 20 years. And when these companies generate profits, they tend to give their shareholders or their stockholders what we call dividend. Now imagine if back in 2016 you did buy a stock from Apple. Imagine the dividend Apple will be paying you in this year 2021. So invest, buy stocks from companies. The fourth thing successful people do is that they read good books. Read good books. You know, what you read defines you. What you read shapes you. What you read brings out the positivity or the negativity in you. And good books, they help build your positivity. You can read books like Think Like a Monk, The Millionaire Mindset, 5 Seconds, How to Win and Influence People. And the last but not the least thing that successful people do is that they are passionate. They are passionate about what they do than just focusing on the money. I remember back then in 2016, yes, 2016, if I'm not mistaken, I started blogging. But one thing that killed my blog was that I was just all about the money, you know. I just wanted to run ads on my site or on my blog so that my website viewers could just click on the ads and I'll start making money. All I just focused on was just the money, and that's what killed my blog. And it didn't last. I think it lasted for about 3 months and I stopped. And another thing I think that killed my blog was that I never had a good reason of opening a blog aside from making money. I never had a strong reason. Like I never had this reason, okay, I want to add value to someone's life. I want to be posting content that will help people. I never did that. All I did was copy someone else's content and put it on my blog. And that killed my blog. Unlike the Adonic Alpha channel, you know, aside from making money, because I intend making money from this channel, to be sincere with you. Aside from that, this channel builds me up, you know. It shapes me. I could remember the first video I posted about hygienic rules, and in one of the hygienic rules I said you shouldn't bite your nails. And the next day when I wanted to bite my nail, my mind just flashed back on that video and saying, remember you said in your hygienic rule that you shouldn't bite your nail, and that thing prevented me from biting my nail. And ever since then I've not been biting my nails. So this the Adonic Alpha channel makes a better me or creates a better me, you know, bring out the best in me. And I also want to use this medium to also teach other young Jews out there, other young guys out there, how to bring or how to be the best, you know, how to be the alpha, how to stand out from the crowd. So whatever you're doing, you should be passionate about it. You shouldn't just focus on the money. If you're solving a problem, you should be passionate. You should be happy you're helping someone achieve their aim. You shouldn't just focus on making money, you know. Be passionate. When you're passionate about what you do, you're going to last in the long run. And that's basically the 5 things. Okay, I intend giving you guys a bonus. Bonus to the 5 things successful people do is that acquire more skills. You know, you could learn barbing, you could learn how to sing, you know, how to play instruments, you know, photography, anything. Just acquire more skill. Hard work, you know, quality, not just hard work, have quality in your work. Be persistent and be consistent. And that's basically the 5 things successful people do that you can actually do to be successful. Again, do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, the Adonic Alpha channel, and I'll see you next time.